The inspiration for this video stems from Louise Hay, a renowned motivational author who founded the Hay House publishing organization. She gained widespread recognition for her self-help book, You Can Heal Your Life. In her teachings, she emphasizes the crucial distinction between needing love and being in need of love. According to her, our thoughts and words play a pivotal role in shaping our destiny, a concept often overlooked by many. This concept may seem straightforward, yet it often eludes understanding. As you go about your daily life, whether you're planning your future or engaging in routine activities, each thought and spoken word contributes to the creation of your experiences. The universe seems to acknowledge and reflect our thoughts back to us, forming the basis of our reality. The realization dawns upon us as we recognize our role in shaping our lives and understand what we do not want. While this wisdom has been available for some time, the past 2 decades have seen a broader dissemination of this message to those ready to receive it. Unfortunately, many individuals go through life without paying attention to the content of their thoughts, merely going with the flow. It's a skill that requires practice to master. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. The first step involves becoming conscious of your thoughts, understanding what you do not want in your life, and acknowledging your role in its creation. Even starting with small changes can lead to significant impacts. Positive affirmations, or consciously making positive remarks about your life, offer a way to initiate change. Whether done in the morning, midday, or night, affirmations become ingrained in your mind over time, influencing your decisions and experiences. Habits formed through affirmations can bring about seemingly small but meaningful changes, like consistently encountering green lights when you're in a hurry. Affirmations can be written down, repeated aloud, or ideally, done in front of a mirror, reinforcing a positive self-image. Standing before a mirror, expressing love and positivity to oneself might initially seem challenging, given preoccupations with perceived flaws. However, this practice holds transformative power. Consider it as if the universe is attentively listening to your words and thoughts, responding by aligning circumstances with your positive affirmations. Embracing gratitude is another effective practice, especially before bedtime or during meditation. The more gratitude you express for the positive aspects of your life, the more positivity the universe is likely to send your way. It's akin to a reciprocal relationship, where acknowledging the good invites more goodness. Making positive statements, even if the current reality doesn't reflect them, is like planting seeds. Over time, these seeds can sprout, bringing unexpected positive experiences into your life. Consistency is key, turning positive affirmations into a habitual part of your daily routine. Beginning and ending your day with positive practices, such as affirmations and gratitude, sets a constructive tone for your life. This process may seem fantastical, but according to Louise Hay, it operates effectively. The universe responds to your positive statements, aligning circumstances to manifest the desired outcomes. Acknowledging the impact of your thoughts on your reality, whether through compliments or expressions of gratitude, reinforces the positive cycle. Conversely, harboring strong negative beliefs can create delays or obstacles. Accepting that good things are deserved and expected is crucial for the success of affirmations. Despite some skepticism around the effectiveness of prosperity affirmations, their impact varies from person to person. Quantity alone doesn't guarantee success. The quality and sincerity of your affirmations matter. Recognizing and transforming negative beliefs, particularly those related to money, can significantly improve your life. Increasing self-awareness involves uncovering unconscious or subconscious beliefs. Writing down your thoughts, both positive and negative, provides a clearer understanding of your mindset. Converting negative beliefs into positive ones, especially regarding money, contributes to a more fulfilling life. Just as one learns to navigate a computer, understanding the laws of thought enables miracles to happen. Universal laws of thought govern how our thoughts become reality. Positive thinking, grounded in understanding your own thoughts, is the first step toward achieving the desired mindset. Louise Hay suggests a practical exercise of writing down your beliefs about various aspects of life to assess their positivity or negativity. This self-awareness allows you to alter your mindset and break free from limiting beliefs, especially concerning money. The laws of thought operate similarly to a computer language. Once understood, these laws empower you to manifest positive outcomes based on your thoughts and beliefs. This realization is the key to significant progress and success. In closing, as we navigate the intricate web of our thoughts, remember the profound wisdom shared by Louise Hay. The power to shape our reality lies within our words and beliefs. By cultivating positive affirmations, expressing gratitude, and transforming limiting beliefs, we unlock the potential for a more fulfilling and prosperous life. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, for understanding the laws of thought is the key to unlocking miracles in our everyday existence. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration, wishing you a life filled with positivity and manifesting the outcomes your heart desires. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.